Thank you. Sit down. Okay, look at the world. We have many types and variety of soil. One of the types we have is loam soil. It is good for farming. It is good for farming. Okay, what's a farming? You take crops and then you plant them. Then the water will not go out of the soil immediately. It irritates them, and that's why. Can you sit down? You look at that one, and then you write type of soil. Welcome to Najah.
Öğle yemek için hazır olan mısırdan yapılmış. Mısır tozundan yapılmış. Evet. Üzerinde şu kırmızı üzerine koyuyorlar. Bir iki tane patates var. Öğle yemeği böyle tamamlıyor.
Yani bunu düzenli her zaman aynı şey.
Her gün aynı onu tüketiliyor. Evet. Her gün yemeği böyle.
Demin anladığım kadarıyla değişik bir yemek geldiğinde çocuklar şöyle bir algı yapıyor. Diyorlar artık Ramazan ayı geldi.
Evet.
Öyle bir düşünce taşıyor. Değişik Ramazan ayında değişik yemek geldi.
Pirinç olmuyor bir de.
Şimdi burada gördük senenin 12 ayı mısır ezmesi ve barbunyayı çocuklar diyor. Bir empati kuruyoruz ve kendimizi buradaki çocukların yerine koyuyoruz veya kendi çocuklarımızı bunların yerine koyuyoruz. Hayırseverlerimize şunu diyoruz. Yani gerçekten çok vahim bir durum.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Noor, manager Najah Children's Home, an institution that has been started in the year 1989 and which is operating currently up to now in Garissa County, Kenya. Welcome today. I would like to take to you how this institution has been started. One of the main reasons was to elevate and promote the life of orphans and vulnerable children in this region. Many students have graduated from Najah Children's Home, and currently we are having many boys which are institutionally taken care. We have over 250. We have home-based care for orphans ladies who are more than 800 or 1,000. Just imagine that this institution has helped the community in a variety of ways. Therefore, but I would like to just say something about the challenges that this institution faces currently. One is that despite being started for a long time, the institution is financially handicapped. And that's why you see it, we have a very, very big portion of land, but it is not well fenced. Two, we have not enough classrooms and enough dormitories that can cater more students. And we just send home some of the students because we have no places, we have no beddings and also mattresses and so forth. The other challenges we have is this institution currently, as I've taken you for your visit today, this organization, yetim that has come from Turkey. I really appreciate you by seeing what problem we are facing. One is that we have no enough food. We have gone through our stores and you see that there is no food that can cater this institution. We have no hospital that can cure the institution when they fall sick at night. We have no school bus whereby we can transport them, the student, in and out to the institution. The institution is not well fenced. The other thing is this institution has no income generating activity, despite having this big portion of land as you see it, but then there is no income generating activity that maybe if it could run the institution smoothly by gaining something from that, maybe income generating. As you see far from the other end, you see that the mosque is not enough. It has been built in 1989 and up to now, no expansion was made. It cannot accommodate for ladies and there is not enough water system that students or the Muslim followers can take ablution and then make their ibadah inside the mosque. We have a very scarcity of food right now. As you see our stores there is no food at all. Whereby this institution, despite having over 250 orphans, in every month we consume more than 420 food for 1 month expansion for food. Just imagine now if you go to medicine, if you go to school fees, if you go to beddings and books, all that thing. Despite that, only food you can consume more than 420,000 per month. Then I appeal to our Muslim followers wherever they are in Turkey, especially, they have really assisted. Sometimes back, the ambassador of Turkey has come to this institution and they make renovation and even distributed some desks and stationery. We really appreciate it and we have written a letter to them asking that they should also consider this institution and put into a budget in the future. During that time, it was Turkey embassy has also visited here. This is one of the most Islamic country that has come to Kenya, and then particularly in Garissa, particularly in Najah Children's Home. So it was through Turkish Red Crescent that has really assisted. And today I appeal to our fellow Muslims, Yetim this organization to take a sadaqah to jariyah, whether expanding our very big mosque or giving an income generating activity so that they can erect in any portion of this land. But currently I appeal to you, we make our du'as for you day and night with these orphans and their parents and all our fellow Muslims, that you can give your hand, helping hand through improving our stores. So thank you very much. May Allah grant you, may Allah bless you whatever you have. And I make this dua for you. Thank you. Thank you very much.